Hi, this is Katie Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty, and today we're at our newest listing at 222 Wood Street in Pacific Grove, California. You have a nice tree-lined street, and you're just one block away from downtown Pacific Grove. Come on in. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, quintessential Pacific Grove cottage. So come with me, take a look. Located just a block from the heart of Lighthouse Avenue and moments from the shimmering shoreline of Lovers Point Beach, this masterfully reimagined Pacific Grove residence is a rare jewel along the Monterey Peninsula. Completely rebuilt from the studs in 2016 and gently lived in since, this single-level, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom coastal cottage offers approximately 1,192 square feet of luxurious living, where timeless charm meets modern sophistication. The spa-inspired bathrooms are finished with radiant heated floors and designer touches that elevate daily routines into indulgent experiences. A thoughtfully designed loft area offers additional flexibility, while the dedicated interior laundry room provides added convenience. Outdoors, a beautifully curated, entertaining space invites you to unwind with friends around the fire pit under the Pacific Grove sky. This is coastal California living at its finest, within easy reach of the Monterey Bay Aquarium, Cannery Row, scenic bike routes and walking trails, and the area's finest shops and restaurants. This is a turnkey luxury sanctuary and one of Pacific Grove's most coveted locations. This is the home you've been waiting for. Please give Patrick or Katie Ryan a call to see this home.